Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another vlog. My name is Code Freeman, and today we're going to build an extra seat for my son, a rear seat for my son on this bike. This is a 1994 standard Bullet. I've modified it quite a bit. It's raining, man. Okay, never mind. I'll just do the intro of the video, and if it rains I'll stop it here and then continue again after some time. But this is the plan. We only have a single seater right here now. What I'll be doing now is, oh, this is getting dark. Oh, and it's just 10:30. It is just 10:30 in the morning, man. So here is where I'm going to put the seat, and this is the front seat, where it only fits myself. I can't make him sit here nor here, so I'll have to make another seat, and this is what I'm going to use. But sadly the rain started, and this is how the bike looks. So this is the side profile of the bike, this is the rear, and this is the front. It's just 10:30 in the morning, man. Knee high, high. Look at this, and this is another normal day here in Shillong. So welcome to my channel. Like and subscribe for more videos. I'll have to stay home first, and then I'll see. And a few moments later, we see the sun. Oh, look at this sunny now. Ni mantan ni imah tu bening mentah but nah shy kedar. Now it's sunny all over. You don't have no drop of rain, and the bike is also clean now. Oh, so nice. Look, I don't have to wash it anymore. But anyway, this is what we're going to do. So we're going to start and build the seat from here. Okay. I'll use this one. And now I'll have to keep this on a metal sheet, and the metal sheet will stay here. So this is the sheet that I have. I think the only sheet that is left right now, but I think it's more than enough. So I'm gonna use this. Let's go and see if this is going to work there. That's right there. Lovely. This has to go like this, and then it'll become clamp. That if it goes right in, it'll have to go like there. Maybe like this. Alright, so this is done. I've made it this way. This is the clamp. This is how it should go. Yep. And okay, and this is how it looks like. What I'm going to do is paste a sponge and then stitch it something like this one, and it'll be something like this. Okay, now it's time to paste some sponge in here. Before that, I just need to scrub this thing, all the rusting thing, all the rusty parts. You can use a sandpaper, but this is much better. See? After the scrubbing is done, and now I'll start pasting the sponge here, and it'll be one after another. So here's the sponge, here's the seat with the sponge, and if my kid sits, it will look something like that. Look something like that. Alright, so the seat is finally done, and this is how it looks. Sack. Okay, I'm kinda disappointed with the leather used here, because I sent it to the same person who did this one, yet the finishing and leather is not up to the mark. That's why I had to use a bungee on top just to distract the quality of the leather. If you can see it, see, this is different leather, and this is another type of leather. So I won't be able to say if this is completed yet, but this is how it will look. Before it was just a one-seater, now it's a two, and it'll be easier for me to carry an extra pillion rider in the back, and Also, this is meant for my kid actually. I'm thinking of replacing the tank because it has a lot of rust inside. From the back, from the side like that. This is the side profile of the bike, and this is the front profile of the bike, and it looks something like that. So this is the final look of the bike. Mana? Mana? Macam apa itu? Di best ni. Dari kanan.